What's up, everybody? Second and last cleanup of the day. I have no clue what time it is. 1:30. Yeah, I don't have enough energy to do another run and then pack all this shit out of here. It's a lot of work. Look at that rusty layer. Sit down in the water there. Real nasty rusty layer. Second cleanup was better than the first cleanup. I just extended my hole straight upstream about another 2 or 3 foot. I'm no longer going into the sand. I'm just stopping right on top of the sand. There's about 2 inches of clay, about 3 inches of material, 2 inches of clay. These nice waders for 40 bucks from the flea market work like a champ. It's another real big 3D picker. Not huge, but for Ohio, it's huge.